Hi friends, today you are gonna see how to earn money from Canva, and there are four methods to earn money from Canva. And this video is for the people who want to earn from side income, and for the people who are this can be their main income too. And let's dive into this video without wasting any time. This video will be your eye opener. Welcome to today's video, guys. I'm Sasiram from Sasi10x.com, and I was an engineering graduate without a job, but I've turned into a digital marketing freelancer. And as I told today's video, we're gonna see how to earn money from Canva. Many people would have earned money from Canva before itself, and many people would have used Canva, but some people don't know what is Canva, and would have some people who don't have touched the Canva. So in this video, I will share some presentations to how to earn money from Canva. And at the end, I'm gonna show how I used Canva to create this YouTube thumbnail you are for this YouTube video you are watching. So stay tuned, watch till the last. Don't skip the video. Here we are at the presentation, the top four methods to earn with Canva. First of all, many people would have not used Canva and would have not known about Canva. For those people, I would like to explain about Canva within a seconds. Canva is a designing tool used to design logos or thumbnails or Instagram post or an event resume. Anything you want to design, you can design with the Canva. Okay, it's the same like that of a Photoshop or other designing softwares, but Canva is very user friendly and very easy than Photoshop. Photoshop and illustrators are for pro designers, but if you're a beginner, you can begin with the Canva. So, introduction. What is Canva for this beginner? I have shared this, and then this is a main part of the video. Start earning with the Canva. The first method is freelancing. Yeah, freelancing. You can sell your service of you can sell your designs to the client. You can design your client's logo, you can design your client's YouTube thumbnail, or you can design resumes for them. So you can use Canva to use logos for thumbnails, and you can use Canva to design Instagram post and stories. I'm having one client, and I am using Canva to design Instagram post and stories. I will share you at the end of this video, and I personally designed my resume using Canva. Okay, then you can design ad copy also, and as I told, you can design anything from Canva, and you can sell those designs. You can sell your services as a designing to as a freelancer. The next word will be Canva affiliate. Yeah, Canva is also having an affiliate program for this Canva's Pro version. Okay, what you have to do is just enter into impact.com. It is an affiliate network website, and yeah, and there you can find Canva. So in impact.com you can register and you can get an affiliate link from the Canva, and you can promote Canva using your blog or a YouTube. If you're having a YouTube channel or you're having your own blog, you can write about Canva and you can create a video about Canva and promote the Canva Pro versions. If anybody who purchased the Canva Pro version with your link, you're gonna get a commission, right? It is the best passive income method I'm using. And unlike freelancing, you have to work every day, but in Canva you have to work only one time, and then rest will be your passive income. Third one is a Canva contributor. If you click a nice photo and you can upload the photo into Canva. If anyone you use your photo to design their any post, or then you're gonna earn money. You can be a graphic designer, you can be a photographer, and even if you upload your stickers or elements into Canva, if anyone uses those designs, you're gonna get earn. Okay, and this is a third method. So there is more. You want to learn about Canva Contributor? I will share a link in the description to learn more about Canva Contributor. Don't forget to check that description. Once you become expert in a Canva, then what's the next step? You can teach Canva to the students. You can teach via online courses, you can teach via YouTube videos, or you can blog about it. You can blog about the top 10 tips you can use in Canva, or best designs you can use, best elements you can use, so on. It is a canvas itself is a deep. May be easy, but it is a deep. You can learn more about it, Canva, and you can teach more about it, Canva. And these are the four methods you can earn money from Canva. I hope this will be useful. And now, as I told, I will share some designs I used. Okay, where I used it. I used it, and I used Canva to design the thumbnail of this video you are watching. So, and I'm gonna show you how I designed also. And there's gonna be a live demo at the end of this video, and my Instagram post. I use Canva to design my Instagram post. I used the Canva to design my client's Instagram post as well. For your information, this is my Instagram page. It's a C10X. If you're not following me Instagram after watching this video, do follow my Instagram, and I will share a link in the description also. Next, as I told you, I used Canva to design my resume as well. And I used to be active in a Quora and my blog. In a Quora, and I'm answering many questions. In some questions, I will use some images I designed from Canva. So, and my client's project also. I will show my client's project how I used Canva in this video. So that's it with this top four methods. Then now I'm gonna share you how I use Canva and where have I used the Canva. Yeah, this is my Instagram ID. If you're not following my Instagram ID, do follow now. And I used to design my DP and this post, and every post and everything using Canva. You can see like I have designed carousels using Canva, conversation between these two people, and I used Canva to design this carousel, amazing carousel. This is my client, Smile Menswear, and I designed this DP. I designed the highlight covers. I designed this post, and I designed this post. I designed this carousel post, different types of shirts we're having in this. Okay, I designed this. You won't believe that I designed and shared these images with him. He's a owner of this shop, and he just printed this as a banner, and he used to hang this banner all around his shop. I was as amazed. Wow, my designs were all over his shop. This is the best thing for me. As I promised, here is the live demo. This is the YouTube thumbnail I've created for this YouTube video you are watching now. And I'm gonna teach you how exactly I created this YouTube thumbnail now. So go into canva.com and search for YouTube thumbnail. And here are some of the few pre-designed templates available for you. You can choose any of those and edit for your sake. But I'm going to show you how I created this from scratch. Okay, click a blank template. And this is a blank page now. Now, one important tip for YouTube thumbnails is don't use red, black, or white color background for your thumbnails because it will not be contrast with the YouTube brand colors. Okay, so I'm gonna choose a background for this. Mm, I like it to be a gradient. Yeah. Then gonna add some elements like this because this video is related to earning money. I'm gonna search about money. These are all elements available. I'm gonna choose this. So you can resize it or any size up to 4. Then I'm going to add text. There are some predefined effects and fonts designs available. If you want to, you can, if you like any of this, you can choose, or you can choose any of these things and you can edit it later. For the sake of now, I'm going to choose this. This is very big. You can edit it. You can reduce the size. Let's say 80. Yeah, because I wrote 80. Change the color because it is not so much contrasting. And since we are using Canva, we can insert a Canva design here. Canva logo. Yes, search Canva design. So just drag a little bit and change the color. Or make this more and more warning. They give alerts for orange. And just look. So now another tip for a YouTube thumbnail is try to add some human face. Add your face or any other human's face because it will be more trustworthy for the people who are watching the YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to add photos. This photo. I'm going to take this photo and I'm going to remove the background because this background is not contrast effects. Yes, guys, the background has been removed. And can place the picture inside. Oh, I'm going to add some other text like everything's ready, right? This is what I this is what I created and this is what we created. The next thing we have to do is we can download this. I'm going to download it JPG. Download. Yeah, it started downloading. It's all guys. It is very simple and within minutes you can edit, create all these things. So if you like the video, give a like to this video and if you found it useful, you can share it with your friends who want to earn money. And if you have any doubts related to this video, comment below. Okay. Bye. Tata.